Alright, guys. That's kind of unfortunate. I don't think the meme sounds are working. Hold on. Hold on. Are they working? No, I don't believe the meme sounds are working. That's pretty unfortunate. Well, looks like we're gonna have to make do today. Got no meme sounds. That sucks. Should have restarted my computer. But alright. So alright guys. No audio today. No meme sounds. Should have checked that before we started, huh? My bad, my bad. Alright, well, show must go on. So let's go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. My channel. And here comes a siren. Anyway, let's jump right into this live rainbow bearing. Okay. I hit live. Let me double check here. Are we live? Okay, we are live. Alright, cool. My bad, guys. Had to restart the stream. But the sound's all good now. Let me double check. Yep. Alright, so my bad. Had to waste a couple of minutes here restarting the stream, but the technical problems are done now. So we got the sound working and the mic is working again. The the not backup mic, which you guys don't like as much. Alright, so thanks for bearing with me. We are good to go now. Thank you, guys. Alright, let's jump into it. We got some live rainbow bearing. Alright, what we got here? PSTV. So not too much going on here. Post market. There was BGLC, but that's already pulling back down to 46, and there is PSTV here. We'll add that to the watch list. But yeah, pretty slow post market so far. I do have an order in for LIFW, partially filled there. And I did get filled on CNTG, so we'll see what happens there. Alright, so we'll come back to this. Yep, pretty slow post-market so far. So, yeah, we'll come back to this. Let me just fix my watch list real quick. CNTG. Okay, alright, cool. Let's get on with the show. Cool. Alright. So, redo. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Let me really quickly turn up the mic. Make it 20. Alright, that should be a little louder on the mic. Probably should make it a little louder than that, actually. Hold on. 25. Alright, just made the mic pretty loud, and you just heard a truck horn there. Anyway, I turned up the mic a lot louder than it usually is, so hopefully you guys... that's better for you guys. Alright, so let's go. Today is Tuesday, October 31st. Happy Halloween, everyone. Happy Halloween. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Today we're doing the show from Tendytown. Tendytown, let's go. Yes, all major indexes in the green here. Not anything too crazy. But looks like a slightly bullish day, so we're rolling with Tendytown today. Let's put in an order here. Let's put in an order. PSTV is moving now. It has earnings. Interesting. That's why. It is now 4:20. Make a wish, guys. Alright, so I'm going to put in an order for 172. Alright, Alright, so that's currently at 148 and ordering for 172. 150 now. So that is good earnings, and that's mooning on good earnings. So ordering for 172, currently trading at 150 there. Yeah, that's at 154 now. So that might actually hit. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Anything else? No. Does not appear so. Alright, back to the show. So PSTV is moving here up to 150. Alright, back to the intro. Yep, so today we're doing the show from Tendytown. Small tendies today, but tendies nonetheless. Even for myself, Rainbow Bear, making some pretty decent tendies today. Nothing too crazy, but we'll get to that. So yeah, shouldn't be that long of a show today. We are getting started a little late here today. Technical difficulties. Once again, my apologies. But yeah, not too much planned for today, guys. Don't have too much content. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Oops. Sorry. Some junk on my desk here. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. My plays today. Don't think we have too many articles. Today we have 3 articles. 3 short articles. One about Kraken, the crypto exchange. One about Tesla and a lawsuit they have. And one about the Treasury / Fed meeting. Treasury meeting today / Fed meeting tomorrow. So minor stuff there. We'll get to all 3 of those. Now we're going to do live Rainbow Bearing, my plays today, watch list, all that good stuff. Today for the TA. Honestly, there's not too much to talk about today on the TA. I just had to make a title, so I put Mullen and AMC because apes love that stuff. But the only thing in the double digits is actually ICU. So, I guess we can look at Tesla, Mullen, AMC, ICU. Honestly, let's just do ICU. Let's do Tesla and ICU. Tesla's the second hottest stock today. then Mullen, then AMC, then ICU. Kind of tired about talking about Mullen and AMC, but they went up 6% today, so maybe we'll do them. But for now, let's stick with Tesla and ICU and anything else you guys want me to look at. And then we'll finish up with our YOLOs, and we have 5 YOLOs today, so that shouldn't take too long. So yeah, not too much content to go through today, guys. Shouldn't be that long of a show, unless there's lots of live rainbow bearing and chatting, which there hasn't been so far. And Tuesdays aren't usually the best day for streaming, so I don't expect today to be that long of a show. Should be... Maybe we'll get out of here at like 5:15-ish. Should be like 5:15-ish. But, alright. So that's all I got for the intro here. So let's go. And before we begin, please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright. Boom. Let me just make sure we're live here. Yes, we are. Alright. So PSTV still holding 150. Looks like some critical resistance there. And, yeah, really not much else going on post-market. Pretty chill day today. So we shall come back to this, but yeah, nothing going on in the immediate post-market here. WNW is coming back, huh? Interesting. Alright, then let's jump right into my plays today. Alright, yes. Let's go to my plays today. Honestly, not too many, so this shouldn't take that long. Still holding this, huh? PRC. So I guess more plays than I thought. And VSME. Alright, so 11 plays today, still holding 6. Alright, let's do it. So ABVC finally cut this. Actually lost like $100 on that today. I cut it at 125, and of course it comes down to 107. So yeah, cut a little too early there, but overall I made like 3K realized. So really can't complain. I do hear a siren coming down the road, so my apologies. KXIN good today. So that was running yesterday and kept running today. Very wide bid ask right now, but currently down 1480. CDIO up 415. TRKA just shorted that not too long ago before the market closed. Down 105. CNTG just shorted that not too long ago. Up 165. SPRC down 105. RVPH covered this for I made probably like $600 there today. TPET made like $400 there, covered that. VYNE, couple $100 there, covered that. VSME partial fill, but I think I made 600 there. WNW big gain there. I think I made like 1700. And yeah. Okay, yes, that is it for that. So let me clear this up. So I'm about to cover AIH as well. That's just sitting on 61 right there. But all right, so yeah, still holding 6 plays, and I am up 2,800 today as of right now. 2,800. So almost 3K. Not bad at all. Definitely not bad. I will take it. Alright, cool. So, pretty decent day for me today. Squeeze is over, and I haven't been making any crazy money this week so far. But some small tendies yesterday, small tendies today. Alright, PSTV is still getting up there. Alright, moving on. Let's get to the watch list. Yeah, PSTV is pushing 160 now. And trying to short that at 172. Okay. So, moving on, let's get to the watch list. I'm still not fully filled on SPRC either. That's pretty crazy to me. Alright, yeah, PSTV up to 158 now. Alright, let's get to the watch list. Start on the red side. Let me take a drink real quick. Alright. Well, PSTV might be done. Big pull back down to 150 there. Alright, let's do it. So, alright, indexes first. So the Dow Jones up 0.38%. NASDAQ up 0.52%. And SPY up 0.63%. VIX is down 8.15%, which is 1.61 points. So we're at 18.14 VIX now, which is pretty good, really good. So VIX is coming back down to normal, below average. So the market is becoming bullish again and is stabilizing once again. So it looks good. Let's check out the red side first. Wow, JetBlue, what happened there? JetBlue down 10.5%. Mega. Zillow getting wrecked. BP 4.6%. Guh. Neo 3%. Silver down 1.7%. Nvidia about 1%. Dollar General 0.8%. Alibaba 0.7%. Gold down a little bit. Meta, Costco, Google, Walgreens, Exxon. So not too much in the red here, but yeah, some select stocks really getting wrecked here, specifically JetBlue and like BP. But overall, not too much in the red, so looks pretty good. Minus a few stocks getting wrecked. Onto the green side, so pretty much everything in the green. Not going to spend too much time here. Price action isn't that crazy. Pinterest did really well, 19%. Looks like growth doing pretty well. 420, SoFi, GME, AMC, Wish, Mullen. Where's the value? So financials doing really good. Ally, Schwab, Bank of America, all up 2.5%. AMD, Boeing, Intel, Lockheed, Target, Tesla, American Express, all about 2%. PayPal, eBay, Verizon, 1.5%. T-Mobile, IBM, Citi, Ford, Disney, all above 1%. Nike, AT&T, Visa, Wells Fargo. Yeah, a lot of green here, a lot of green. And then all the way down here, got Amazon, Apple, Microsoft. So, yeah, overall, most of the stocks in the green today, and a lot of value in the green. So value definitely holding up the market today. Well, growth did really well too, but value, definitely the biggest supporter of the market today. Lots of price action on the value side. So yeah, overall, slightly bearish day, but plenty of tendies to get for everyone. Honestly, seems like the boomers really should have been winning the most today. Like I just said, value holding up the market. But also growth doing well, so plenty of tendies to get for the apes. And also, you saw me, live rainbow bearing, and also doing really well. So yeah, plenty of tendies to go around today for everyone. So hope you guys managed to make some pretty decent tendies today. Okay. Cool. So there's the stock market. Let's get on to crypto and the news. Wow. Slow post market today, huh? That sucks. Alright, welcome back to this. 1 second. Crypto news. Crypto news. Lots of sirens today, too, huh? Alright, let's do it. So here's crypto today. That is up 0.63%. So also seems like a slightly bullish day in crypto here. Let's check it out. So Bitcoin up 0.6%, pushing 35K at 34,600. Ether up 0.7% over 1,800. Binance down 0.9, XRP up 3.9%. That's been doing pretty well, up 7.4% for the week. Solana's doing really well, 5.7%, 19% for the week. Cardano down a little bit, 2.2%. Doge down 1.3%. So not the most price action, but pretty decent price action in value. Looks like there's more red in growth. All right, let's sort this out. All right, so decent amount of coins in the red, actually. I'd say about 70% of the coins are actually in the red. Biggest loser is Axie Infinity, 6.5%. And don't really see too much value here. So more coins on the red, but not much price action. Not much value. And green side, so about 30% of the coins in the red. Biggest gainer is Celestia, 12%. That is number 100 now. But there's some decent value here on the green side. Solana, Toncoin, XRP, Ether Classic, Polkadot, Stellar, Tron. So, yeah, that would do it. So, yeah, like I said, more coins in the red than green, but more value in the green, more price action on the green side. So, that's why the overall market is up slightly, a little bit, slightly bullish. Okay, so yeah, really the crypto boomers, if that's really a thing, crypto boomers, the value investors in crypto, really winning today. Not really sure about the altcoin investors, but yeah, overall, slightly bullish day, stock market, slightly bullish day, crypto. So hope you guys made some attendees today. All right, what up, Beelzebub? What's up? Yes, happy Halloween. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button, please, and thank you. All right, next. All right, so 3 articles today. Let's do it. All minor stuff here. Shouldn't take too long. First one, Kraken cryptocurrency exchange to share user data with IRS in compliance with court order. So, yeah, pretty self-explanatory there. The IRS has demanded that Kraken hand over customer information. So Kraken had to give over 42,000 users data to the IRS. That's for everyone who did transactions over 20K in any year from 2016 to 2022. So, yeah, if you guys use Kraken, which I don't think too many people do, and if you traded over 20K in a year, be warned, IRS may have your data. They most likely do, actually. All right. Getting filled here on LIFW now. Alright, there's the full fill. I'm in at 251, and it is fully shorted, but I'm in the red now. Anyway, so yeah, just got fully filled on LIFW. Very nice. And hopefully I get fulfilled on SPRC soon. PSTV may be done. It's down to 145. Alright, so yeah, Kraken, giving the IRS your data. If you guys are semi-active trading crypto on there. Alright, next one. Before the Fed decision, all eyes will be on this big Treasury debt announcement Wednesday. So an announcement Wednesday on refunding entailing the size of Treasury auctions as well as the duration mix of the debt that will be issued is expected to draw more market interest than usual. Investors got a preview of the Treasury's decision Monday when the department said it will be auctioning off $776 billion of debt in the final quarter of calendar 2023. The key variable markets will be watching are the actual sizes of the auction as well as the maturities mix. Alright, so this is going to happen tomorrow. So yeah, they're going to borrow a lot of money here. Pretty much $1 trillion, almost $1 trillion to pay for the rest of the government. The last 3 months of the government, last quarter of the government. Probably a lot of that is for Israel and Ukraine now. But yeah, so the official announcement's tomorrow. Yellen is gonna do her thing, and we'll see how the market reacts. Probably priced in, to be honest, but we'll see. Well, this is coming up tomorrow. Treasury decision tomorrow, and Fed decision soon afterwards. Alright, and last one. Tesla wins first U.S. autopilot trial involving fatal crash. Alright, so yeah, this is a lawsuit. They won. Big win here. So the jury found that the software was not defective. They say that human error caused the crash. And yeah, it looks like the jury was in favor of Tesla. Found no manufacturing defect, and it was a human error. Okay, so good news for Tesla. Bullish for Tesla. Probably minor, though. Alright. So there is that. So that's all the news for today, guys. Yeah, minor stuff. Nothing too crazy there. So let me pull up the YOLOs while we do the TA, which we'll probably just do Tesla and ICU. If you guys want me to look at something, put it in the chat right now. Charts, TA. Otherwise, we'll just do Tesla, ICU, and finish with the YOLOs. So, very quick show. Very, very quick show. We're blazing through the content here. No live rainbow bearing, no live trading today, and not that I don't want to. It's just literally nothing to go for. And yeah, not much going on. So, still nothing to go for. PSTV still pulling back. Alright, so let's do the TA and finish up with the YOLOs. So we started late and gotta finish early. We got some action here. Alright, so YS. YS. Alright, we'll go for 73. Yeah, I highly doubt this is going to hit 73. But we'll keep an eye on YS here. Yeah, pretty slow post-market. Alright, let's get right into the TA. So Tesla and ICU. I didn't even read Ken's comments. I forgot, dude. Sorry. But Ken says stuck in SLNO. F my life. Yeah, dude. I don't think you're trolling. Can never really tell, but I'd probably just look to escape there. I mean, we've been talking about it for a while, but that's definitely getting manipulated, and probably not the best idea to fight the hedge funds. So that sucks, dude. Sorry about that. YS is up to... Alright, I'm actually going to put in an order for YS now. Alright, order in for 73. Alright, let's do Tesla and ICU. So, small bounce back here today. Post-market is bearish, though. Anyway, so nothing really changed here. Just saw the bullish news from Tesla. They won their lawsuit there. So, yeah, obviously this is a good long-term hold. gap downs at 240 and 290. So this should eventually come back up to 240 and 290 to fill the gaps. And also there are gaps to fill at 145 and 115. So, might come back down there, 145, 115. Not saying it will, but quite possible. RSI currently at 29, so this is still oversold, undervalued. Good entry at 200. So, yeah, I think it's pretty straightforward. Long-term, good buy and hold. Probably even for a swing trade on the long side. So, yeah, I can't support buying in here at 200. Excellent entry. And if it keeps pulling back, I would average down at 145 where the gap is, and another time at 115 where the other gap is. And, yeah, hold it for a few months, maybe even for the long term. And should be some pretty decent tendies. So I can't support a swing trade or a long-term hold on the long side. So good price. If it keeps falling back, average down. All right, and ICU. So this one has been going crazy the past... Oops. Wrong button. Sorry. So there's a gap fill today. Anyway, so this one's been squeezing for the past month here. And looks like it's finally coming back down to earth. I'm pretty sure I got squeezed out of this. Or maybe I didn't. I forget. But I definitely played this one not too long ago. Anyway, so gap did fill here today. So RSI is currently at 56. So still a little bit above average there. Slightly bearish. Aftermarket action is down to 79. So that's bearish. MACD is reversing soon. It's still bullish, but reversing. So it's going to turn bearish soon. And still two gap ups. One at 49. So this should pull back down to 49. And another one at 19. So this should pull back down to 19 at some point. So, yeah. Still... So a little bit of a pullback here, but still pretty decent entry at 82. Not the best, but still a lot of downside potential. So, yeah. Pretty decent entry at 82 cents. Should come down to 49, which is some pretty decent downside. Probably around 35% downside to 49, and down to 19 is about 75% downside, maybe more, about 80%. So yeah, probably not going to dump, not a pump and dump, but it's probably going to be a slow bleed down to 49 and maybe even 19. So yeah, should be short-term bearish. Can't really comment longer term, but probably bearish as well, longer term. Anyway, so yeah, probably gonna bleed and pull back in the short term. So I would sell if you're long, cash out, sell, and pretty decent short. Can't support going short 82, covering anywhere between 49 and 19 cents. So short term bearish, decent short play here in the short term. And would not recommend going long. Maybe if it comes back down to 19, then you can go long, but probably not the best idea. All right, so there's ICU down 18% today. Damn, down that bad? Thought it was down. Did not think it was that bad. StockTwits does not think it was that bad. All right, so I think that's it for the TA today. It is now 4:53, and we got a late... We started late here today, so we're blazing through the content. Still nothing going on post-market here. Very slow day. So I guess let's just finish up with our YOLOs. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. So yeah, 5 yellows today. Shouldn't take too long at all. We should be out of here in about 10 minutes or so. Alright, let's do it. So, yeah, not so many yellows today. I pulled out the best ones. But these are pretty straightforward. So, yeah, let's do it. First one by No Standard, 1461. Why do I even bother? And you don't even want to see Robinhood. Wow, okay. So in the last 6 months, here he's down 32K. Over 32K. Wonder on what, because it doesn't even seem that FD, to be honest. The chart here. Looks like he tried day trading and sucked at it. Oh, wow. So this is the last 6 months profit and loss. This is all profit and loss. Don't know how long that's been, but all time he's down 107K. So here it looks like he did actually FD. Down here it does not look like he FD'd. Or maybe he is FDing, because here he says looking at marathon and MicroStrategy weekly calls. So maybe he is trading FDs here. So, alright. And year to date he's down 57K. So, but all time he's down 107K. Go.
And it's gone.
And he says you don't even want to see Robinhood. So apparently it's worse than this. I actually do want to see Robinhood. So yeah, this is typical Wall Street bet stuff. This is what happens when you day trade, swing trade FDs / meme stocks, or FD meme stocks. So at every single point in this graph, it's just a consistent downtrend. And I don't know why you think it's going to turn around. It's definitely not. So yeah, typical Wall Street bets degen here, regarded, and respect for posting, but yeah, this is pretty rough. Why do you even bother, dude? You should stop gambling and start investing. With 100K, you could have bought SPY and you would have been up 15K today, or 15K this year. Anyway, so major loss coin here, over 100K and probably more on Robinhood. Yeah, go. Next one by YOLO Capital, 25. YOLOing every day until it's all gone. It is all gone. Down 100%. About 72K.
And it's gone.
So it actually isn't, it wasn't even going that bad. Until, I don't know if these were FDs. But it wasn't going that bad, and he may have discovered FDs around here. Or he started to actually get unlucky here. Or maybe he was lucky and he actually came back down to the average here. But for whatever reason, these were definitely FDs. So he held pretty strong until around here. And then go. Proceeded to lose all his money in about 3 trades here, it looks like. 2 or 3 trades. So pretty curious as to what he did, but yeah, all time blew up his account, down $72,000. And doesn't say what he's in, so very curious, but I'm sure it's FDs, day trading FDs, some sort of FD. Alright, next one by Slywood. Xmas disaster to Halloween comeback. Alright, so it looked like he was at his lowest point not too long ago, and not sure what he did, but big comeback, yes. Grinded himself out of the hole, and all-time high now, it seems like. So guess I'm looking for a bit of a circle jerk. Third update, up 7K currently. Said I would quit and buy ETFs, but the old compare your portfolio to ETFs things got me competitive, and ironically, they eliminated it. They did? They eliminated the ETF? Why? That was a good measure. Anyone know why? Can't even Google it. Regardless, I took out half and paid my stuff and put the rest into IRA. Hey, smart. Mostly looking for people in similar setting, not talking about 100K plus gains, but just a few K. Never lost money on 10,000 contracts. I buy shares, and one option that I like, I scalp and I day trade. I hold and I sell early. Like legit, I make 500 and I'm happy when the call / put ends up 1,500 to 2,500 over my gains. I make what I can, doesn't matter how little, and it adds up. So yeah, just wanted to see others' thoughts. I did half my portfolio, so I am not able to margin as much as I did in the past. True, it decreased my risk, but at the same time, it limits my moves. Yeah, you should not use margin, dude. That's good risk management. Anyway, looking to hear from regards like me because I literally know nothing about candlesticks, earnings, job reports, nothing. I just buy stocks I think will be around forever, literally just that. Well, I don't know if this is sustainable, but it certainly has worked up to this point. So, you know what, dude? 31% all time is, yeah, not bad at all. And considering you are a newbie, it may be a little luck. But the guy does seem like he does practice. He has a sense of risk management. Even though if he doesn't fully understand it yet, he does grasp the concept of risk management. So this guy may actually be around for a while. If he just works on his trading a little bit, continues to practice good risk management, he will, yeah, like you said, these little gains will add up over time. So yeah, not the biggest gain, but this was nice to see. Rational ape here. Rational ape. So rooting for this guy. I hope he does well in the future. So small gain here. 7K, but all time. So he was in the red and now in the green again. So that's the important thing. Not sure if you should continue to do this. Not sure if it's sustainable, but congrats, and I think it's worth a shot. Anyway, thanks for posting, dude. Good luck to you. Next one by The Real OJ Simpson. What up, Koya? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
What up, Bears? You ate well today, Ty? Decently. You know, ever since the squeeze is over, which is like 2 days now. Well, no, it's been over for a week. About a week and a half. So last week I was eating. This week it's been small tendies. I made like 3K today. Almost 3K. So, definitely not complaining. But, you know, compared to some other days, pretty slow day today. But yeah, I am in the green today. Small tendies. So, certainly can't complain. We work on a file for bankruptcy next week, it seems. Go for WeWork Bulls. Who's a WeWork Bull? That's like an oxymoron. Right there. They were never profitable and never will be. I don't know what that guy's on. Masa-san? I don't know, bro. He effed up on that and Uber. SoftBank. Alright, by The Real OJ Simpson. Well, there goes my day trading opportunity. So, put in enough so I could day trade without getting flagged because I thought that would make it so much easier to make money. Turns out it makes it so much easier to lose money. I'm not a bad trader, says every bad trader. The market's just rigged against me, says every bad trader. I don't know if that was sarcasm or what, but I think it was. Anyway, so, the past month he's down 10K, 29%. So, I would have to disagree. It actually does make making money a lot easier if you know what you're doing and you're not a degenerate gambler. So I don't know what he was day trading, but these are some big swings. Day trading. He's day trading FDs. Um, he's either day trading FDs or he's putting like half his account in every trade. Either way, this is not sustainable. So it's funny how it says he's not a bad trader, and then I look at the chart and I instantly know he's a bad trader. I think he's being sarcastic though. Anyway, so yeah, this is just bad risk management. This is really nothing to do with the trades. Just the bets are way too big here. Way too much risk for your account size. So if you did this well, I don't know what you're doing, but your trading even seems like it's not sustainable, let alone your risk management. So yeah, you should probably just go back to the lab here to just take a break, look in the mirror, take a good hard look. Admit that you're not nearly as good as you think you are, and maybe give it another shot. But the way it's looking here, I can just look at this graph and tell you need a lot of work. So yeah, example of dumbasses with too much money. This is what happens. So I'm sure you'll get the chance to day trade again, but we'll see if you're up to it. If this is sustainable for you. I'm gonna go ahead and say probably not. I'm gonna say no, but anyway, yes, 10K loss this month. As a day trader, that really shouldn't be. That's really not too bad, to be honest. It is compared to his account. That's why I'm saying, like, this is just bad risk management. Anyway, so thanks for hosting, dude. Hope you learn from this. If you want to give it another shot, go ahead. But yes, you need to practice the risk management and seriously question your selection of stocks, of stonks. So a 10K loss here today, or this month. Please post updates, dude. Alright, and last one by Rebel CR7. You guys were right, I was less right. I was the kid who posted Tesla is going to 100 before November back in June. You guys said no way, and you were right. I still made some money, so I'm still posting though. Here's the original buy and sell orders. All right, so straightforward here. June 12th bought. Let's see. There's a siren. Or actually 33. All right, so he originally bought in for 43K, and oh, all right, so he's in for 43K, a little over that, 43.5K. And he cashed out for 84K. So 40K gain here. 40K gain. So almost 50%. Very nice. Very nice. So this expires November 17th, but he already cut 2.5 weeks early. And yeah, cashed in 40K. Almost 50%. Very, very nice. So, well done. This was a good trade here. Good trade. Good leaps here. So, I don't really recommend this. This is some luck, some skill. Combination of both. The guy seems like he has experience. Wouldn't really recommend any random ape to do this. But, the guy seems like he charted well. Good entry, good exit. And yeah, just really well done trade. A little risky, but yes, managed very well. Good exit, good entry. All right, so congrats there, dude. And yes, that is the show for today. So, yeah, that was a very, very quick show. Nothing happening today, that's why. So we blazed through the content. So not so many articles. Not much rainbow bearing. No rainbow bearing, actually. No live plays here. Not so many YOLOs, not so many articles. So, yeah. Pretty short and chill show today. We started about 15 minutes late, 10-15 minutes late, and caught up on time here. Where are all the Mullen apes, bro? Maybe they ran out of money? Finally? It's funny, if you go on StockTwits, I've seen the same people on that board yelling, "It's gonna moon," for like 2 years now. And then, now, a lot of them, most of them actually turned, and they're just talking trash about David Mitchery. Oh, how the times have changed, huh? Well, the apes went soft on you? Well, I mean, to be fair, what really can he say to me at this point? You've been right for 2 years, but just wait, it's gonna moon. It's gonna nuclear MOAS. Like, come on, bro. So, you know, I think at this point, the Mullen apes, most of them have accepted defeat. And the ones that are still in there are just hopeful at this point. Some delusional, some not delusional. But yeah, go for Mullen. Go for Mullen. Alright, so, yes, that is the show for today, guys. So, yeah, very short and chill show. Really not much going on. Mullen is the next Tesla, bro. I know, right? Just wait for the, deliveries and you know, wait for the dilution to be over, and they finally have money, and the Fortune 500 company order, and all this BS, right? Yeah, I know. To the moon, I know. Alright, so, yeah, guys. So, really, the only thing to pay attention to post-market is PSTV, and even that's pulling back already, so maybe even not. Yo, did you see the case David had filed against Schwab and IBKR? I didn't read the actual lawsuit, but I know he did sue a bunch of brokerages. Yeah, TD Schwab and IBKR and I think Vanguard and some other stuff. Yeah, he sued a few brokerages. Which, let's be real, it's just a PR stunt. So he can claim, oh, look, it's rigged, and then justify his dilution and scamming even more. For lending short shares to short his company. That doesn't even make sense, because there's like 5 million shares to short at all times. So it's not like they're making synthetic shorts or whatever the hell he's claiming. Like, no, he is a very weak case. Very weak, very, very weak case here. But for the time being, he can... I'm telling you, the reason why he's doing it is so he can go to the apes and be like, look, see? I told you it's rigged. I'm fighting for you. Keep giving me money. And then they're going to lose the lawsuit, and speculation at this point, but they're probably going to lose the lawsuit, go bankrupt, and maybe they'll reverse split one more time, get enough, do the final scam, final round of scamming, and then go bankrupt. But yeah, I don't know, bro. That whole company is just years of drama, and I can't believe we're still talking about it. I'm surprised it's still alive. But we'll see how much longer it'll stick around for. Anyway, guys. So, that is the show for today. So, very short and chill show. Once again, my bad about the late start, technical difficulties. But thanks for bearing with me. David is watching this show. He might sue you as well for talking poop about Mullen. The crazy thing is, alright, realistically, he's not watching the show, but actually a lot of Mullen apes do watch the show. and they're not gonna sue me, but they will they will report me and try to get me shadow banned, which they have successfully done like twice already. To the point where even I don't want to go that hard on the Mullen apes. I'm not intentionally trying to piss anyone off. I'm just being honest. But yeah, I understand. It's a cult, and you don't like it when I say that your stonk is crap. I get it, but it is. I'm just telling the truth. Anyway, guys, yeah, so appreciate everyone. Yeah, pretty uneventful show. Short and chill show. Not much to cover, not much news. Well, minor news, not much TA. Price action, live rainbow bearing. YOLOs. But appreciate everyone. So that was about an hour long. And yeah, so if anything else happens, I'll let you guys know. I'll put it in Discord, and if not, I catch you guys back here live. But yeah, it looks like a pretty slow post market, and probably nothing gonna happen for the rest of the night. So yeah, just go ahead and enjoy your trick or treating, guys. Probably too old for that now, but yeah, enjoy your Halloween, guys. Or maybe you guys have kids or something, and take them out. But alright, that's all I got for today. Appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button before we get out of here. And yes, that's all I got. Cool. PSTV is going back up a little bit. Alright, anyway, let's get out of here. Ken must have kids, bro. I think he actually does. I think he has like 1 or 2 kids. He's always trolling. I actually do think he has like 2 kids or 1 kid. Can't remember. I think he does have kids. Don't quote me on that. Alright, guys, let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.